1, 2, 3, 4, and 5 cats. And actually, this wasn't even the first litter box I've ever got, but this one was the last one that we got that my cats love the most. See, all 5 of my cats are actually rescues, and we got them when they're already past their prime, when they were around like ages of 8, 9, and 10. One of my cat was actually returned 3 times before us because she tended to only pee on the floor. And we didn't want to give her up just like 3 people before us, so we decided to find different solutions. And after testing out countless different automatic litter boxes, we realized that this was the only box that she absolutely loves and uses. See, I think the problem with our cat was she is actually much larger than most of the cats. She's about 24 pounds and she is a clean freak. Crazy enough, she wouldn't even actually go back to her own litter box where she peed herself. Like imagine we used to have 5 litter boxes for all of our cats scattered around the house. Which, you know, just like everybody else, we would clean it once a day when we get home from work. And all of our cats would use their litter boxes. But the one that I just showed you, she would only use it one time when it's clean for the first time. And after that, she only pee on the floor. So basically, the goal was to keep a clean litter for her even after she uses one time. But it wasn't physically possible for us because we had our own lives. So we got recommended by our veterinarian for this specific box from Petpivot. What makes this box so special is that not only that it cleans the litter every single time when your cat uses it, but because it actually shakes the litter before it actually do a full cycle, meaning that let's say when your cat pees in it, instead of doing a 1 cycle fully, this box actually does an initial shake cycle, which completely coats whatever the pee or poop inside of it. And once your cat's pee or poop is completely covered, then it will do its full cycle, which allows machine to stay clean like this. And since the machine stays clean perfectly, no smears, no smells, or no residues, my cat doesn't think that any other cat was in there or litter was ever dirty. And as you see here, after it discards everything, box is clean, no smells, no odors. And because of that, all 5 of my cats are using the same litter box and we don't have to have a bunch of litter boxes scattered around the house. So yeah, at the end of the day, they always have clean litter boxes for them to use every single time. But then I don't have to scoop or clean litters or look at a bunch of different dirty litter boxes scattered around my house. The only downside of having one of these boxes with 5 cats is that I have to change the waste bin every single day. And this is literally the largest waste bin in the whole market of cat litter boxes. Trust me, I've tested so many different boxes. This thing is huge. It holds a lot, but you are going to have to change it often. But as long as you do that, you're going to be very happy. Your cats are going to love it. It is extremely quiet, doesn't require any apps or internet. Just plug it in. It has motion sensors and it is convertible. So your cat doesn't feel like going into a closed up space. It's just like their regular manual box, but you don't have to do any work. It does it for you. So honestly, I would suggest it to everyone who has cats because right now you can get these for like less than $160, $170 on TikTok shop. These are the best litter boxes I've ever used. It's been over 6 months I've been using this and we haven't had a single incident. So yeah, great product. I highly recommend it.